Morning, guys. So, for those of you who have been needing a little bit of extra support with your assignments, here is that extra support. Please watch this video before sending me an email with a question about your assignment because I will probably answer it right now. So, for today, we have another PDF that you're going to be completing using the Kami extension. If you do not yet have that extension, you need to go to the resources tab under my classwork page, click the link, install it, then open with Kami after you've refreshed your window. Your interface should look like this. I'm going to kind of show you the quickest, easiest way to complete each of these activities and then let you have at it. So for our first activity, it says, let's find the C major chord. I'm going to check the directions like any good student would. It says color all of the circles to have a C major chord. Then write a C major chord on the blank diagram. I know from class and from my materials and resources that are in Google Classroom that this first shape is a C major chord. You have a couple options for how you can complete this. You could just circle it, and that's totally fine. I'm okay with that, just as long as you show me that you know which ones are C major. If you're someone who wants to actually color it in, you're going to go over to the drawing tool on the left-hand side and click on it. You're going to make it as thick of a stroke as possible. You are going to turn down the transparency because here it's not see-through. We needed a little see-through to see what's underneath, so I turn that down. You can pick whatever color you want, and then you would just go in and color in to the best of your ability that shape. You would find every single C major chord on this page. For page 2, you're going to find every A minor chord on that page. Here it is in case you have a little bit of trouble figuring that out. And every F major chord, here is one on the last page. So we're just identifying our first 3 chords that we use for our first month of ukulele at the beginning, unless you're in 8th grade. Then I'm going to have you just identify C, A minor, and F on the next 2 pages. I know it says time yourself for 1 minute, but I want you to complete the entire 2 pages. I do want to really reinforce those 3 chords. The first one's done for you. I'm actually right now, before I assign this, I'm going to fill in the second. I'm going to fill in 1 F chord and 1 A minor chord for you so that you are ready to do this activity. After you've done that, you're just going to draw the chord on the chord diagram. Again, with your drawing tool, you might want to turn the transparency back up, or the opaqueness back up so that it's not see-through anymore. And then you're also going to trace the circles. Now, right now I have a pretty fat drawing tool. That's not going to work for me. I need to also turn back down my thickness of my line so that I can then trace. Hopefully that helps. And after you've watched this video, if you still have questions, reach out. Here's a bonus for those of you who stayed on till the end. Some of you have been having trouble with Kami submitting correctly. I think you're clicking the wrong thing. I think you're clicking turn in through Kami, so you need to click save. And then there's like an option up here, a big button that says turn in. You're not clicking that. You're going to go to save now and save those changes so that they are stored on the document. If you do not click save and wait until it's completely saved, then I won't see the end of your worksheet. I won't see all of your answers, and you won't get full credit because the bottom's blank. So see how it's back to save now, and it says all changes saved. That's how you know that it's saved and that your work is recorded. At that point, you can go back to Google Classroom and refresh and click submit. If you're worried, give it a couple minutes and then open the PDF again and you'll see your answers. Good luck and have a great day.